Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your weapons on the Pixel Gun 3D game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixel Gun 3D game on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, click on Armory at the bottom left corner. Now this will show you all of your different weapons across various different categories that you can equip to your player. If you wish to upgrade any weapon, you will first need to equip this weapon to your player. Just click on any weapon and then click on the equip button at the bottom right corner to equip this. Once you have equipped your desired weapon, you will then see the upgrade option if it is available. Just click on this button and now you can spend some gems in order to increase the efficiency and upgrade your weapon. Just click on the improve quality button to spend your gems and apply your upgrade. And now, after you have applied your upgrade, you can start playing with your upgraded weapon right away. You can do this across multiple categories of weapon by choosing their category from the top section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to upgrade your weapons on the Pixel Gun 3D game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.